Okay guys, we're gonna take bacon grease and smear all over our pan. We're fixing to make some roasted candied Brussels sprouts. And we're just gonna stick that in the oven and let it get hot. Our oven has started deciding not to cook right, so we're just making the best of it. But now I was just gonna show you how I clean my Brussels sprouts. I cut the end off, the little root part, the part at the end that gets all brown. Then I just peel off the leaves that, you know, may look bad, or, you know, the outside leaves that you don't want. Like that. Then I just take and cut it right in half. And we don't have any good cutting knives either. But anyhow, that's okay. You make do with what you got. Okay, same thing, just peel off your leaves. Cutting right in half. I'll do it where you can see it there. And if you have a big one there, you can quarter him. But this is how, and I don't wash them. If you wash Brussels sprouts, it's really hard to get them crispy because they're so little, and the water just kind of goes up in there and stays, okay? All right, we'll be right back. And now we're back. Look, I don't have any olive oil. You can use olive oil if you have it, but we're just gonna put us some oil in here, enough that we can coat these. I'm gonna say that's probably about maybe a fourth of a cup. And then we're gonna put about a fourth of a cup of brown sugar. Then we're gonna do the juice from 1 lemon. I'm just cutting boards, so I'm gonna cut the lady's countertop. And kind of hold your fingers just in case there's some seeds. You don't want the seeds to get in it. Y'all know we like Brussels sprouts. Now, when I was younger, I didn't care a thing about them. Matter of fact, the only way I'd ever even tried them is my mom had boiled them just like, I don't know, just like a potato, I guess. And they were just yuck. But now that I've got up on fixing them myself, and, you know, all the things I like. So, now we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic. This is garlic powder. Just a little bit, I don't want a whole lot of that. We're gonna put salt. And if you like pepper, we'll put a little bit of pepper in it. And then you can put cayenne if you like them a little hot, or you can put the red peppers. Now, I don't care for them either way like that. So, now I'm gonna just go down in here, mix all this up. Need a little bit more oil. That should get a little bit more loose. Whoops. So remember, we've got our bacon grease cooking down there too. Okay, now we've got this. All my Brussels sprouts cut and cleaned. I'm just gonna put them all in there. And you can do this in a bowl, guys, if that's what you prefer. That's a little hard for me, so I just do them in a bag. Just close them up. And we might have to mix up more. This is quite a bit of Brussels sprouts. But I think we got enough. We can work it in there, and you just work them around, get it all over them. Pan back out. Should be good and warm, even with our oven not working just right. Oh, it's good and warm now. Got our pan out. Oh yeah, the Brussels sprouts are good and covered. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to put it in here now because it'll be a little easier for me to work with. Because I want to lay them out. Whoops. I want to lay them out on your baking sheet, skin side down. You do not want them overlapping, guys. It's okay for them to be close, but you don't want them overlapping. Okay? Be careful because this pan is hot. Okay, guys, I want you to notice. I did just leave the the leaves that fell off. I don't throw them away. I just put them in here and let them cook. We like them. So he said that's funny. Tell them bye. We'll be back. Okay, guys, I had to bring them downstairs because that oven up there quit cooking. So they got a little browner down here than I wanted to because I had to hurry down here and see them. But I'm going to put them back in now for about 5 minutes, and then they should be ready. Okay? We'll be back. Hey, guys, they look a little scorched, but they smell really good. So we're going to be thankful that we had an oven that even halfway cooked, and that we had another one downstairs that we could bring them to. So we're just going to make the best of this. You know, that's what you do whenever things just don't go the exact way you planned. You make the best of it. And so we're making the best of it. So that's what we're doing. We're rolling with the punches. And we're going to have a good lupper. It's more like supper now, though it's so late. Trying to get everything to work in the ovens that we had. But the baked potatoes will be good, if nothing else. All right, so we're headed upstairs to eat.